Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. For those of you who are not able to be with us in class today, we miss you and can't wait for you to come back. For today's assignment, you will need to access your online textbook. So I am going to quickly show you kind of how to get to our assignment and how to get to what you need to do today. So to start out, we are going to go to Google Classroom. That is where your online textbook is posted. And I'm just going to use period 3-4 as an example here. Okay, so you're going to go up to the classwork tab and click there, and it should take you to a page that looks similar to mine. You're going to scroll down to the online textbook here. And yours may look a little different than mine just because I am a teacher. So, but you will click on that, your online textbook, and say, take me there now. Okay, may ask you to choose an account. All right. Okay, so I am going to make sure that I'm in the right area. My screen still may look a little different than what you see right now, just because I have a little bit more options here. So it might take me a little bit of a different route. Hopefully you guys all see the same page that I do right now, that this is the Unit 1, the very first page. We're going to go down to Unit 5 because that is where we are in our textbook. So we're going to click the 3 lines up top that say menu, and that's going to open up our drop-down menu. Remember all of these options from our scavenger hunt. So for those of you who said, oh, I can't find the glossary to find my vocab words, this is where you would go. For the table of contents, we are going to go down to Unit 5 and make sure that we are all in the same spot here. Yes, we should see the crumpled balls for our first page. Looking good. We are still working on to fly, and that is under the whole class learning section. So we are going to click on the whole class learning, and then boom, we've got to fly down here. We are going to click on that, and that should start to take us to the text here in just a moment after it loads. There we go. Okay, and underneath the student edition, you're going to see this little drop down right here. Okay, we are going to kind of click around until we see analyzing craft and structure. That is what we are doing today. Analyze craft and structure. So you are going to click on the Making Meaning tab and go all the way down to craft and structure. That is what we are working on today. We are doing 4 questions, and there is a handout attached to this, attached to the classroom assignment. Okay, so you do not need to type it right directly here, but you can use the handout that I did give you. Okay, we are going to be talking a little bit about illusions. Okay. We've been talking about those for the past few days, and I know those are probably a little bit out there for you, and you don't know what they are. But illusions are references in a text to well-known people, places, characters, myths, events, or works of literature or art. So basically, anytime that someone references a person, that is an illusion. So if I tell you, don't be a Scrooge, I'm telling you that you shouldn't be mean. You should, be a little bit happier. But I'm not telling you to be happy. I'm telling you don't be a Scrooge. That's a person. So that makes this an illusion because I am referring to someone else. Okay. We're going to be looking at comparisons. So comparing and contrasting, which you guys should all be very familiar with. We're going to talk about descriptions. So any words or phrases that appeal to the senses. So like if you heard the snap of a wet towel, all of those are going to be describing words. If you are describing something, you are going to try to appeal to their senses. Okay. We're also going to look at cause and effect. So if you wake up late for school, chances are the effect is that you are going to miss the bus or that you are going to be late getting to school. Okay. So we are going to move forward here to these questions. They're all located on here as well as on your handout. I would prefer if you worked directly off of your handout, okay? So you can go ahead and type them there. You will need to be referring back to the text for this, okay? So I'm going to kind of move myself over here so that you guys can see that the text is also located here. There are little numbers next to the text. It's going to tell you which paragraph it is. So I know that for the first question, we're looking at paragraph number 3. Okay, and you're going to be looking through there and looking for allusions, all right? If you have any questions whatsoever about what we are getting done today, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm going to try and do videos like this that will help you to kind of know how to navigate and how to get to our assignments, okay? So please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. And if you're feeling ill, feel better. But if you're not, I am so excited and I can't wait for you guys to come back as soon as you're able. Have a wonderful day.